Traveling sets my soul on fire, and if you're here watching this video, I'm gonna assume that you feel the same way. Jet setting can be an expensive hobby, but I'm here to tell you that it doesn't have to be, especially if you know how to maximize your credit card points, specifically the Chase Ultimate Rewards points. I truly believe that the Chase Ultimate Rewards points are some of the most valuable out on the market today, because one, Chase has some awesome travel partners, and two, you can get some really good value out of these points with the travel partners, especially when they do special promotions, meaning your points are worth even more and you get way more bang for your buck than you normally would. In this video, I'm going to go over Chase's top 3 travel transfer partners. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Also, if you are interested at all in getting more information on any of the Chase credit cards so that you can start accumulating points and transferring them to these partners to get free travel, make sure you go ahead and check out the link below in the description. I will have the links for the cards and you can get more information on them. Coming in at number 3 is Flying Blue. Flying Blue, which is the loyalty program for Air France and KLM, really stands out as a transfer partner for Chase Ultimate Rewards points for several reasons. First and foremost, Flying Blue offers some really good value for people who are looking to travel over to Europe and even beyond. With a network that spans across Europe, Africa, Asia, and the Americas, you can easily find flights that fit your travel plans. The program frequently offers competitive award pricing, especially for flights to and from Europe, making it a really attractive option for maximizing your points. Another significant advantage of Flying Blue is their frequent promotional offers known as promo awards. These promotions provide discounts of up to 50% on award flights, making it possible to fly to popular destinations for even fewer points. This can especially be beneficial if you're flexible with your travel dates and destinations, because this will result in even greater savings for you. Flying Blue also offers a dynamic pricing model, means that members can often find really good deals, especially if you book well in advance or during less busy travel seasons. Finally, Flying Blue is part of the SkyTeam Alliance program, which includes airlines such as Delta, Korean Airlines, Air Mexico, Air Italia, and so many more. Therefore, this really expands the network of routes that you have access to. Because KLM is part of the SkyTeam Alliance, it allows you to use your Flying Blue miles, which you get by transferring your Chase points over to Flying Blue on a broad range of airlines, increasing the flexibility that you have and options for redeeming points. In conclusion, I'm naming Flying Blue as a top travel transfer partner for Chase Ultimate Rewards points because one, you can really get the best bang for your buck on flights to and from Europe from the US, especially with the Flying Blue promotions. And Chase actually also runs a promotion, I think once a month, like towards the beginning of the month, where your Chase points are worth like 20 or 40% more when you transfer them over to Flying Blue. So that maximizes your points even more. I also really like this transfer partner because they are part of the SkyTeam Alliance, so you can use your points to actually book Delta flights through Flying Blue. And Korean Airlines, which if you know, Korean Airlines is not partnered with any travel credit card, so you can't transfer any credit card points over to Korean Air to book points through miles like that. Coming in at number 2 is Air Canada's Aeroplan. Air Canada's Aeroplan program is highly regarded as a top transfer partner for Chase Ultimate Rewards points, primarily because of its extensive network and flexible redemption options. Aeroplan allows members to book flights on Air Canada and over 26 partner airlines, providing you access to nearly all parts of the globe. This wide range of destinations, including Europe, Asia, and the Americas, ensures that you can use your points for both domestic and international travel. Aeroplan also offers competitive award pricing, making it an attractive choice if you're looking to maximize the value of your Chase points. So there are a couple things that really stand out to me when I think about Aeroplan. The first thing is that Aeroplan has this awesome stopover policy where if you are flying somewhere, you can actually choose to include a stopover in another country just for 5,000 additional points. So if you're really trying to maximize the cities or the places that you're going on like a 1 or 2 week trip, then this is a really affordable way to do so. Or if you just want to throw in like another country or another city on your way over somewhere, maybe break up your trip a little if you're going somewhere far, this is a great option because now you get to travel to another country or city and you can break up that really long haul flight along the way. And it would be much cheaper to do it this way than if you were to just have to book a brand new ticket down the line somewhere just to go to this one destination for like a night. From time to time, Aeroplan also does special promotions that can further reduce down the number of points required for these flights so you can get even more bang for your buck. If you sign up for their emails, then you'll be notified through email when these promotions happen. Aeroplan is part of the Star Alliance program, which is one of the largest airline networks in the world. So this further enhances its appeal as a partner. There are currently 26 members in Star Alliance, so the world really is your oyster here because you can book those airlines flights through Aeroplan. So the second thing that really stands out to me when I think about Aeroplan is the value that you can get when you book your United Airlines flight through Air Canada's Aeroplan program. Booking United flights through Aeroplan can offer significant value compared to booking directly with United, mostly because booking through Aeroplan often requires way fewer points. And by significantly fewer, I'm talking like half the amount of points. I have literally seen a flight, I forget even where, but I think from like San Francisco to Japan that was on United Airlines listed as like 175,000 points. And then when I checked for that same flight it was like 150,000 or 125,000 points on United. And then when I looked up that same exact flight on Aeroplan or through Aeroplan, it was literally like 75,000 points. So there's a significant difference and cost reduction when you book United flights through Aeroplan. Aeroplan uses a zone-based award chart, which can sometimes result in lower mileage requirements for the same flights compared to United's dynamic pricing model. This can be really advantageous for you on routes where United's pricing is higher, as Aeroplan rewards levels are more predictable and stable. In conclusion, Air Canada's Aeroplan is a top travel transfer partner for me because of one, its stopover feature for an additional 5,000 points, and the fact that you can book United Airlines flights for significantly cheaper on Aeroplan. And also three, because Aeroplan is part of one of the largest airline networks in the world, so that gives you a lot of flexibility in terms of how you can use your points. Coming in at number one, and this is where I think you get the most value for redeeming your Chase Ultimate Rewards point, but coming in at number one is World of Hyatt. Hyatt is a standout transfer partner seeking exceptional value for travelers seeking comfort and luxury in their accommodations. World of Hyatt includes brands like Park Hyatt, Andaz, and Hyatt Regency hotels. And they often have very upscale resorts in some places as well. So there's a really good range of options, whether you're traveling for business, leisure, or with a family or whatever. By the way, before I go on, if you're getting any value from this video at all, it would really mean a lot to me if you went ahead and hit that red subscribe button. This way you'll be notified anytime I upload similar videos. A primary reason why World of Hyatt is a great transfer partner is because its award charts favorable redemption rates. Compared to other hotel loyalty programs, Hyatt typically requires way fewer points for free nights, especially at high-end properties. For example, a standard room at a luxury Hyatt hotel can be booked for significantly fewer points than at, say, a Marriott Bonvoy hotel. This allows you to make your points go even further and maybe bag in another night or two. So you're enjoying more nights, more vacation time at better quality and high-end upscale places for accommodation for essentially the same number of points. Hyatt also frequently offers promotions that enhance the value of points redemption, such as discounts on award stays or bonus points for specific bookings. In conclusion, in my opinion, World of Hyatt is one of the best transfer partners for Ultimate Rewards points, especially because of the ease of transferring over to Hyatt. It takes like 2 seconds, it's quick and easy, combined with the generous redemption offers that Hyatt gives you, along with its strong portfolio of beautiful accommodations and properties. This makes World of Hyatt an excellent choice for you to transfer your points over to and enjoy high quality stays worldwide. Now, let's say you're looking to maximize your points even more and get even more value out of your points, but you're not exactly sure how to go about doing it, where you go to do it. Do not worry, I got you covered. That's exactly what I go over in detail in this video here, so I highly suggest you check that video next, and I will catch you in the next video.